Today I'm making vegetable moussaka for Mother's Day today.
What's your name?
Ditvi. Mommy.
Garlic, chopped courgette, spring onion, tomato puree, aubergine, tomatoes, mozzarella and cheddar cheese, eggs, boiled and chopped potatoes, parsley or coriander, Greek-style yogurt, boiled green lentils, black pepper, and even more, and some dried oregano. Last but not least, olive oil.
Oh. Cut chopped potatoes and cut chopped courgettes.
And then put them on a baking tray. When you have done that, coat them with olive oil.
I found this flash.
Now, you have to sprinkle some
Black pepper.
Now take your aubergine and cut it. Now, coat your aubergine in oil.
It's fried. Put some oil.
Now sprinkle some more black pepper. When you put it in the oven, ask for a parent's supervision. Take some tomato
Puree.
and separate it.
Separate the water. Now mix some tomato and tomato puree. Chop some garlic.
Now put it in a sandwich bag and mash it up. Look at me. Now mix your garlic with your tomato puree. Now chop your coriander or parsley up in a little bowl. But be careful because scissors are...
Next.
Now take your... and give it a little haircut. And then you need to chop it all up. Chop, chop, chop.
You chopped it all up.
Now what do?
You pour it into
The tomato puree mixture. So you pour that.
cinnamon.
Now you have to pour cinnamon.
Nutmeg. And a parsley.
Now you need to mix it all up.
Mix it all up.
Now crack your egg. Now whisk it with a fork. Whisk, whisk, whisk. This is what it should look like. Now what are you doing, Ditvi?
Putting the yogurt in the egg. Ah.
Now add nutmeg.
Nutmeg. And mix it.
Ta-da! Now all our ingredients are ready.
Cooked it.
Now take a glass container and brush it with olive oil. Yay!
With the egg.
Just now make a layer of
Make my hand hot.
our potatoes.
What shall
This is a layer of
You put this and this.
Yeah. Now put a little bit of your tomato and vegetable mixture on your potatoes.
Put it all up.
Don't forget to leave some for later.
Yeah.
And aubergine.
You can use all your aubergines in this part.
Ah!
You can eat it.
It's making all my hands salty. The bowl.
Okay, put it here.
Now you can put all of your mixture on top of the aubergines. Or you can do it like Ditvi.
Now we need cheese.
Not yet, Ditvi.
Put on your courgettes. Just hug together.
Hold on. Shall I help you?
Let's hug this and hug together as well.
It's so delicious.
Now you have to put on your... Don't forget they have to be boiled.
Do yourself.
Now you need to put on your yogurt mixture that you pre-made. Don't forget to spread it out. Now we need to do your,
Cheese.
which is Ditvi's absolutely favourite. You can sprinkle cheddar and
Cheese.
mozzarella.
Mozzarella.
You should spread it out, Ditvi.
Dancing.
It looks absolutely delicious.
Time to put it in the oven. Time to put it in the oven. We forgot to put the avocado.
Oh no. You tired? Don't forget to ask another to put it in the
It's Mother's Day.
one. Hey guys, this is Ditvi, and today she's making
Vegetable moussaka.
yay. So here's what you need.
Go. Start. I can't say it.